Okay, how do we navigate insurance when planning our spine surgeries? It's very complicated, particularly with artificial disc replacement. You know, if you needed a fusion of your back at 4 discs, insurance will approve that just like that. Much more expensive type of surgery. If you need a single or 2-level artificial disc in your low back, many insurances still won't approve it, even though they've been FDA approved since 2005. So, how do you navigate that? I talked to a patient today from Massachusetts who literally told me he wrote a 619-page letter with data showing to his insurance company, and they still denied a 30-year-old a 1-level disc replacement. How can that be? So there are things you can do. Complain to the insurance commissioner of your state. You can appeal this through your insurance. That's difficult. If you're insured through an employer, go to your employer. They're the one who pays your premium. And if they have 1,000 employees insured with that carrier, and your boss goes to them and says, hey, why doesn't my employee get an approval for a 1-level or 2-level lumbar disc replacement? The power comes from the employer because they're the ones who pay the premium to the insurance company. And if they're afraid they're going to lose a big account, they'll approve the surgery. I've done this many times and it works. These insurance companies do not care about you. They only want to make money off of your premium and not approve anything. It's very frustrating for me and for you. So we need to work harder, but things are getting better. Things are getting approved more gradually over time.